So I've been making YouTube videos since 2013 or something like that, and I've been able to build one of my channels to a little bit over 66,000, close to 20 million views or something like that. And I've been getting a lot of hate many different times during my time here on YouTube. I'm gonna share two ways to help you kind of deal with haters and kind of deal with people that are just gonna drain you and they are gonna try to attack you. Now you need to understand that some of these people are just trying to destroy your channel, and you shouldn't really fall for that, right? You got to be really, really careful because you put a lot of work into your channel and then you don't want to let it go because you said the wrong thing or something like that. So, again, hopefully this is going to help you. And by the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe notification bell. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. So here we are in the Content Creator Tools channel, and I'm going to tell you the first way you could deal with haters, guys that are putting negative comments and things like that, and guys that are attacking you, is to kind of filter your comments. And that's pretty simple, right? So you're going to come up here to your name, you're going to go to YouTube Studio, and from there you're kind of going to go into the left. It says settings. You're going to click on settings right there, and you're going to go into community. And here in community you could do a lot of different things, and in my other channel I do have a lot of people here as moderators and all that. This is a pretty new channel, but again, once you go into community, this is kind of what you have right here, right? So you could put people here that you trust, that you like, that you have built a relationship, and those people are going to help you manage the channel, right? Another things that you could do obviously is approve user. You could hide some users. I'm going to show you how to do that in about a second. Essentially that means that user's comments and things like that is not showing in your channel. You could block some links, and that's really good because people try to share crazy links and things like that. And you could put some words, right? So if you put a bunch of cursing and things like that, and you don't want, obviously you don't want that cursing in your channel, once people start cursing, it's going to go into here, and then you can approve or disapprove those comments. If you go to defaults right here, there are some people that don't allow comments at all. That's going to be up to you. I wouldn't recommend you not to allow comments. I think comments are important. It allows you to build a community, but also allows you to bring more engagement into the channel. Okay, back here in this end, and I'm going to click here on comments. Some of the comments that I've been getting here in the Content Creator channel. Now, if you see this comment right here and you see this little three dots right there, if you click on those three dots, you got a couple different choices, right? Like I said, you go hide that user from the channel, so he could put whatever comments he wants. Essentially those comments are never going to show, and obviously if you have a good relationship with that person, you could come over here and add him as a moderator as well. You also have the choice to say always approve all comments from that user. So again, as you look at your comments and as you look at the guys who are hating and putting back comments and all that, if you see people that does not bring any value into the community, definitely go ahead and hide his comments. Don't worry about that. So that's going to be the first way that you could deal with haters here in YouTube in the comments. Pretty much essentially filter their comments, because you know what, it's not fair for your community, right? Communities come here to learn how to do some things, maybe to get entertained, maybe to learn some education, maybe to learn how-to videos like I do here in this channel. And there's going to be people that are going to come here to disturb and to create drama and things like that. You don't want those people. Just go ahead and do that to the comments. Now, the second thing that I'm going to tell you, I promise to, right? I promise to. The second thing that I would tell you how to deal with haters is simple. Ignore them. I know a lot of people say that, and sometimes may be a little bit difficult, but hear me out. Eventually, your channel is going to grow to a point where you're going to get a lot of subscribers and you're going to get a lot of comments. And unfortunately, a lot of times creators don't have the time to essentially respond to everyone. You will spend the whole day on YouTube responding comments. So why would you spend your time on the trolls? Why would you spend your time on the haters? Why would you dedicate your precious time that you can't get no more into those people, right? So I would tell you what, focus on the good people. Focus on the ones that are supporters of the channel. Focus on the ones that are helping you and the one that you are helping. Don't concentrate on the ones that are not bringing any value and they just want to create drama. Really, it's not fair for the subscribers that are coming here and want to learn from you or want to be entertained from you or wants to be part of your community. It's not fair to them. Do not waste your time on the bad guys. Spend your time with the good guys. All right, so those are my two recommendations for you guys to deal with trolls and haters in the comments. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.